Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Martin and Bella Rospa. So today's video, we've got Meguiar's new 2023 product, the Hot Rims Black Wheel Cleaner. Now, I'll start by saying I don't have black wheels to test this on, but I am going to see how it is as a cleaner. From what I understand, Hot Rims, as you know, Hot Rims has been around forever. You got the Hot Rims Wheel and Tire Cleaner. That's a pretty strong one, only good on factory wheels. You got the more gentle PVD and aluminum cleaner. That's for like uncoated aluminum wheels and such. We've got the chrome wheel cleaner, which is a strong acid wheel cleaner, so only use that on chrome wheels. I think it's fine on factory wheels as well. And then now we've got the Hot Rims Black Wheel Cleaner. So this is brand new for this year. The other Hot Rims product's been around forever, but finally they made one for black wheels. Now, if you have black wheels, you may have been using Meguiar's Ultimate All-Wheel Cleaner, which that is a good product. This is a little bit cheaper. I think this is about 12 bucks. But the Meguiar's Ultimate All-Wheel Cleaner, where it differs is it's a iron removing wheel cleaner. It works by attacking the ferrous metals with some detergents in there. This, from what I understand, is just a more gentle wheel cleaner, so it doesn't damage black finishes. It's good for glossy black as well as like flat black, matte black, whatever. So we'll see how this does as a cleaner. Again, I don't have black wheels, but I do have some dirty wheels, so we'll see how it works. Let's go over the product real quick. It is a nice orange color. Lately, wheel cleaners have been getting some good scents added to them to kind of mask the wheel cleaner scent, but I can't get this cap off, so I'm not going to, we'll find out when I spray it on. But here's the directions. If you want to read that, go ahead and pause the video. Basically saying it's safe on black wheels. Directions, so do not pre-rinse. Meguiar's does not want you to pre-rinse like most companies do. Spray on the wheel, let it dwell for 1 minute, and then rinse it with a powerful stream of water. So we'll see how it does as spray and rinse, but it does say agitation may be required. Almost every time you wash your wheels, unless they're ceramic coated, you're going to need some agitation. So I just want to let you guys know that. But yeah, it doesn't say it's a tire cleaner. I'm going to see how it does on the tire, but I'm not expecting miracles. Anyways, let's get over to this dirty wheel and see how this does. Okay, so I got my wheel cleaning bucket here full of soapy water. Got the super dirty wheel over here, so just to show you guys how dirty this is. See my little finger swipe there? This wheel's pretty dirty. There goes my dog. Hey! Hey! Hush! Gets a little carried away sometimes. So we're going to spray this on and see how it works as a spray and rinse. We're not going to pre-rinse because Meguiar says do not pre-rinse. So we're going to see how it does. Okay, so this does have like that foaming sprayer on it. We're going to go ahead and twist it on and I'll get to work here. See how this does. This wheel is filthy. I personally do not like these sprayers, but for the sake of the review. Again, this doesn't say it's a tire cleaner, but I'm just going to see how it does on the tires anyways. Alright, we're going to let that dwell for 60 seconds. And this has a citrus scent to it. Even the orange color and everything tells me this may be a citrus-based degreaser slash wheel cleaner. So if it is citrus, citrus does a pretty good job of cleaning tires off. So anyways, let's see how it does. Give it a full 60 seconds and we'll power wash it off. Alright, it's been about a minute, so I can kinda, I guess, see the dirt getting pulled away. It's not so obvious though. But again, this is a really dirty wheel, so I don't expect spray and rinse to really get it clean. Usually you can just spray it off, pre-rinse, which they say not to, but you can pre-rinse and it gets pretty clean. Anyways, not pretty clean, but it gets about 70% of the way there. Let's see how this does. So honestly, I did a lot better than I thought it would. The wheel's not completely clean. I can still faintly see my finger mark there, but it is, I'd say we're about 90% clean here. But I like to get everything nice and clean as possible, so we're going to go ahead and agitate everything this time. It didn't really seem like it got the tire dressing off either. That was on there, so we're going to see if it cleans the tires off now. Alright. Another reason I hate these triggers is because they freaking leak. Getting all over my hand, which I should probably be wearing gloves. So wear gloves, kids. So this is the Auto Fiber barrel blade. I've been testing this out. It's a pretty nice wheel cleaner, especially if you got, you know, big brakes, which this car doesn't, but my other car does. That's really what I bought it for, but I just want to test it out on this one. Oh, I got it here. You can see it's kind of a darker gray color now. Got a lot of that dirt off. Scrub the tire off. Tire doesn't look too bad. That works pretty good on the tires. And then we're going to clean out the face of the wheel. Use my brush for that. See down here all the extra crap right off that, you know, pressure washing alone doesn't get. So. Alright, and we'll rinse. And nice and clean. It looks like it got the dressing off as well. Yeah, so they may not say it's a tire cleaner, but as you can see, it cleans the tires off decently enough. So it looks like you got a good all-in-one. So hey, good product overall. So let's go in for the final thoughts. Alright, so Meguiar's Hot Rims Black Wheel Cleaner. Stamp of approval. Works good without being overly aggressive. This should be safe not just on black wheels, but all wheels. Excuse me, you should be able to use it on uncoated wheels as well. I don't see any warnings where it says do not. So yeah, you can use it on uncoated wheels if you have uncoated wheels as well. I suspect this is a citrus-based cleaner. So it does clean the rubber out good enough as well. So you can go ahead and, you know, use it to scrub your tires at the same time. So yeah, overall, pretty good stuff. Right now, this is available on Amazon. It'll probably hit retail shelves in the coming months, I'm sure. But I'll post a link below to Amazon and other products used in the video. But yeah, great product. Meguiar's, I mean, Meguiar's always makes great products. I wasn't expecting anything less. But I'm pretty satisfied with it. So anyways, I appreciate y'all watching the video. Leave your thoughts in the comment below. Let me know what you think. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. And if you are not subscribed yet, which most of you are not, hit that subscribe button. That's all I got to say. Anyways, I appreciate all of you. Thanks for watching. Keep them clean. Have a good one. I'll see you in the next video.